What is a pellet stove? Pellet stoves are small heat generators that operate through the combustion of a fuel called pellets. The pellet is a renewable biofuel derived from wood remnants such as shavings or conglomerated chips in sustainably managed forests. It is considered a clean and environmentally friendly fuel because the emissions it produces are deemed absorbed by the tree from which the pellet originated. Both standard pellet stoves and ducted pellet boilers function by burning the fuel and using combustion gases to heat the air that will then either fill the room or be ducted, in the case of ducted stoves. Pellet stoves can also be used to heat high and low temperature water radiators, or even for domestic hot water, known as hydro stoves. What are the parts of pellet stoves? A. Internal pellet hopper. B. Auger. C. Auger motor. D. Ashtray or combustion crucible. E. Electric resistance for pellet ignition. F. Smoke exhaust outlet. G. Turbine for hot air circulation. H. Hot air outlet grill. I. Synoptic panel. L. Centrifugal aspirator, for combustion smoke discharge. How does a pellet stove work? Let's see how a pellet stove operates. 1. Pellets are stored in a hopper, Part A, with a capacity, for example, between 15 to 30 kilograms depending on the model. 2. An auger, Part B, driven by a gear motor, Part C, transports the pellets to the crucible, Part D, located in the combustion chamber. 3. The initial ignition of the pellet is carried out by an electric resistance, Part E. 4. Once the pellet stove ignites, the electric resistance, Part E, turns off. 5. The air entering the combustion chamber provides oxygen for combustion, and some of it must be heated by the pellet combustion. It is then sent, along with the generated smoke, to the central heat exchanger to subsequently heat the cold air, which will then exit through Part H. 6. The smoke and hot air produced by combustion are extracted through the same fan, Part L, and expelled from the outlet, Part F. 7. The outlet is usually located at the back of the stove or sometimes at the top. Additionally, it should be noted that pellet stoves are much cleaner than almost any wood stove, and